Andy?
Ryan, you mentioned before the game how much you wanted to see attacking football, especially from the younger players. Did that performance give you everything you wanted?
Yeah, it did. You can always obviously do better. There's things that we didn't do so well, but overall with the performance, both as a team and certain individuals, I talked about expressing themselves, trusting each other on the ball, and that's what I got. So yeah, I was pleased with the way we played. With a little bit more care, we could have scored more goals, but to score 4 goals in any game is special.
There were some selections which may have raised eyebrows at the end of 63 consecutive games for Chris Gunter, I think, but fully vindicated, wasn't it, with Connor Roberts, Ethan Ampadu. Does this feel like a team that you've put your stamp on?
No, I mean, each player that I picked for a reason, and they were in good form. But that was the most difficult decision because Chris has done so much. He's just come back from an injury. I just felt, so many games in a short space of time, and Connor is in good form, so he deserved his spot. That was definitely the most difficult because he's a great lad, and even when I told Chris, he was disappointed, but his reaction in training is no surprise. He was magnificent. So I'm lucky to have players like that, and they're the players who the young players have got to look up to and aspire to be as, not only on the pitch but off the pitch.
Ryan, is there more evidence really tonight from some of the young players that you've put in that you're good enough, you're old enough, really, you're fantastic?
Yeah, but me as a player, I got a chance as a young player, but also I played till I was 40, so I can see both sides of the coin. I mean, age really doesn't matter to me. What I had when I was younger is really good professionals in the dressing room, and they helped me, and that's the same here. So I've got a good balance of, not only in the squad but tonight as well, of experienced players and young players. So yeah, I'm lucky in that respect that I've got a really good balance. No, Ethan is a talent, but not only as a player but as a person. So measured, so mature, and he just takes everything in his stride. So Ethan's going to be a magnificent player, and yeah, I was really pleased with his performance tonight.
Gareth was obviously missing from this fixture back in October. Is it too simple to say he is the difference, and what difference do you think he made tonight? How good was he?
I think every time Gareth plays, he makes a difference, whether it be for Wales or whether it be for Real Madrid, because he's a special player. I've said it many, many times. And it gives everyone a lift when he plays. But also, he's a great example to what you have to get to, that level that you have to get to. And, that's what I challenge the players. They have to get to the level of these more experienced players who have been there and done it.
Right, and I'm not sure if you saw the news, but Denmark sorted out their off-the-field problems sort of just before the game. But I guess it's a case of bring it on after that performance.
Yeah, I mean, we've obviously, I don't know how to look at it really, with the 2 Nations League games in the first group. Obviously, it's great to get that win, but now we've got a difficult match with a very good team. I don't know what the preparation's been like, but we expect a tough game. We've prepared for their best 11, top 10 team, and probably favourites in the group. So we might have to play even better on Sunday to get that result.
Did you and Roy have any words at the end of the game there?
No.
Do you think this sort of sets a benchmark that you challenge the team to meet going forward?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I said to the players. The bad news is you've got to keep to that standard. It's as simple as that. And when you drop below them standards, you're letting me down and you're letting yourselves down. So it's not easy because there was some really good performances, and obviously as a team they performed well. So, but you've got to keep getting better. You've got to keep improving. There's loads of things that we could have done better, and we'll work on that over the next few days. It's not long, but at the moment, tonight, enjoy the performance and enjoy the result. Sorry.
Sorry, Ryan. Some of the goals he scored tonight were fantastic. Just obviously Garrett's goal, especially. But how many of those goals came from structured attacking play that you worked on in the training ground, or is it just down to the special players in your team showing?
Well, yeah, we had a short space of time to work together. Really, the only working day was on Tuesday, where we worked on certain things. Yeah, but then the players have to go out and do it, and it's the players. We can give them ideas, but then the players have to go out and execute it, and they did. So. Yeah, there was a little bit we worked on the training ground, but you can't put them goals, I suppose, down to everything on the training ground. It's about the individuals going out and doing it.
Yeah, did you expect any more from Ireland?
I don't know. I think you've got to give credit to ourselves. We performed. There wouldn't be many teams that would live with us tonight because of the way we played, the trust in each other, and. Yeah, so I think we would have given anyone a game. And yeah, of course, we looked at Ireland, but we were really more concentrating on ourselves and what we wanted to do.
Yeah. Ryan, there's been a criticism as well in the past that there hasn't been enough competition for places. Do you feel like you're moving towards that?
Yeah, picking this squad. I picked 25, and that was hard enough because the end of last season for the game against Mexico, some young lads come in, they did really well, and they were unlucky to miss out on this squad. But I feel that we have got 30 players who can be quite easily in that first 11. And I never had that when I played for Wales. And that's what I want. And that's why early on in my games I've given young players a chance to see if they can handle it. To see tonight if they can handle playing at home. There's a different kind of pressure. And yeah, they answered some of the questions.
Okay, any more questions? No? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
See you soon.